Hi everyone, and I hope you're doing well. My name is Nikita, and I speak about topics and content that can help you take a step closer to the industry. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of the most demanded topics, which is what are the courses one need to take to apply for a TPM position. Now, you might be someone who is a fresher and wants to take a step forward to becoming a technical program manager, or you might be someone who's already working in the industry, has some experience as a software professional, as a DevOps engineer, or a project management professional, and you are aspiring to apply for one of the dream companies. In this video, I will be sharing some of the most recommended industry wide courses that can not just help you stand out while you apply for different companies, but will also help you understand more details like what is the format of these courses, what is the duration of this course, what kind of educational background or what kind of experience is recommended while you're taking this course, the course fees, etc. And not just that, towards the end of the video, I will also be sharing which of these courses I took and it did benefit me towards my journey to Google. But before I share more about these, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That definitely motivates me to bring more such interesting content for you in the upcoming videos. Alright, so talking about what are the courses that you could take, the first one that comes to my mind is PMP, which is called as the Project Management Professional. Now, this course is actually recommended for individuals who have some experience as a project management professional in the industry. This course is a self-paced course, but you can also request for instructors if you prefer learning from an instructor directly than a self-study model. And the course fees include from 1000 to 4000 depending on the model that you choose. So if you're choosing an instructor led model, the fees would be slightly higher. So you can choose based on what your budget accommodates and what type of learning format you prefer. Along with that, this course may take up to 2 weeks to 6 months depending about your understanding about the project management concepts and how much you are experienced with the project management world. The second one is the Certified Scrum Master CSM. Now, this is something which takes around 2 to 3 days to complete, and the fees vary from $450 to $1,500. Now, you can actually visit the website to understand the price breakdown details, but in interest of this video, if you are someone who has experience with project management and you are looking for quickly brushing your skills, maybe you have an interview lined up or you're trying to add a little bit of glitter to your resume, then definitely this is something you can opt for. The third one is Google Certified Project Management Professional, which is available on Coursera. Now, this course is divided into parts and may take up to 6 months to complete if you are spending approximately 10 hours a week to complete. And the cost of this course is around $39 to $49 per module. Hence, you may choose to invest in this course only if you think your budget fits in and you would be motivated to keep learning for the next 6 months. This course doesn't require any background with project management fundamentals. Hence, if you're a beginner, this course is definitely recommended for you. And now, the last course that I would recommend for you is the Certified Technical Program Manager course. Now, this is a 3 to 5 day boot camp and the fees vary from $1,500 to $3,000. This course is recommended for someone who has some background about technical program management in the industry, and it may be a quick refresher module for you if you want to just brush up your skill sets as a technical program manager. Alright, so these were the top 4 courses on my mind that I would like to recommend for those of you who may have experience in the industry or who may not have an experience in the industry but are still aspiring for a TPM position. With that, if you also remember, I shared at the start of the video, I'll be sharing that course that I took that definitely benefited me in my journey, which I could add in my resume, which I could also leverage while I wanted to brush up my skills as a project management professional. Then I definitely applied for the Google's course on Coursera, which was the Google Certified Project Management Professional. It definitely gave me a good start understanding about project management concepts and also brushing up my skills for areas that I was already familiar with. With that, I come to the end of this video. If you are liking this content, please make sure you're dropping a comment in the comment section below. You're sharing this video with as many professionals who can benefit from such content, and you are also liking this video. Definitely your engagements count and motivate me to bring more such videos for you in the future. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.